Hello and welcome to Financeable on the new video on how to log in into Volvo Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Volvo Finance login. Now press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. Just click on the login or the first search result. Just click on it. And after that, the interface will be shown right in front of you. As you can see, the sign in or login interface is shown. On the right side, there is the form. So if you haven't registered, then below there is a register button right next to sign in button. You can just click there and follow the instruction provided by Volvo and you will be able to register. And after registration, they will redirect you back to the login portal and you just need to enter your username. After entering your username, you just need to enter your password and you need to click on the sign in button and you will be able to sign in completely. But if you have forgotten a username or password, right below the sign in there is a text that says forgot my username or password. You can just click on anyone which you have forgotten and they will help you retrieve and reset the username and password. And when you have got the new password or made the new username and password, just fill in the username and password in their respective box and click on the sign in button and you will be able to sign in successfully into Volvo Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.